Good morning, it's day number 9 on my van conversion. Yes, I'm now 2 days over of my original plan. But it was always raining the whole week and it makes it so difficult to do stuff outside. I'm glad today it don't looks like rain, so I will just unpack the shelter which I had not permanently. And anyway, the wind took it down last night. So I have to take it down anyway. It's now destroyed, as always. Always the wind in Norway, destroying stuff. This is how it looks today. Here's a frame for the bed. And a small kitchen. Now I'm just finished the custom made frame for my bed and I tried it. Looks quite good because I need to use some different materials, a little bit stronger as well, to build around the wheel, and as you see it fits good. And later I want to have one drawer here, a small one, and I have to do a drawer over there. And I might be making a drawer to pull out like here. So I need to figure out how I should do it, but yeah, I think I can do this at a later point. Since the underneath the bed it will be open, so I will have access anytime. And same in the front, until I figured what I will actually do. So now I'm starting with plates on the top, to have a possibility to pull out. 9mm plywood, this is maybe called. It was too unstable, so I decided to use thicker material. And this is about 1.5. It's more weight, but yeah, it's 1.5. The bed should not break down, so I have to do it, to use this. Now I cut all the pieces, the sliding pieces for the bed. Which I did not consider is that I need a new wood piece for holding the pieces on the other side, that you can slide it forward and back. It's possible to use it like this, but it's more annoying to get them back in place again. And the other thing is, it was difficult to pull out. Still it is. Because these plates are pushing the pull-out piece down, and I need to figure out, maybe I need to sand it a little bit or loosen a little bit the screws to get this problem solved. It's more easier, so I think I will also going to sand it. Now I'm just prepared a little bit more, and it's now easier to slide out, but I still need the wood piece. And if I sand everything and make it a little bit round, it will work as I want to. So this is the bed. For now I'm not going to do so much today on it. I just think about the drawers, what I could do, and otherwise, yeah, I need to finish the kitchen as well. This one, and this will I be working on. it's better sliding in. So that's why I sanded everything. And you need to remember as well that you shouldn't have it so tight as I have. I was thinking if it's nearly only some millimeters space in between, it would be much more better to glide, but it's not true. It's much more difficult. So now it's going out, and as you see, just pulling out, and you have your bed. And in again. I have to sand the bed since it's so difficult to get in and out, pull it together. Filmed the whole process to make the custom frame for the kitchen. It was so difficult, so I had to have it inside and work from there with a small space. I'm just going to show you what I did. First, this was a problem. It's really tight to a corner. I need to adjust everything and cut out. So this finally is fitting. When I just screwed some frames in place all there. And I was building at this part here to make a frame underneath all the way. And here is just the support that I have the right height. And here I just leave a little bit space because of this for the seat belt. So now I can make a wall at the back and make some shelf inside or doors or something. I'm not quite sure yet. When everything is finished, I have to paint everything. Now I'm just drawing for the back side, and then I will do the front for the kitchen. Now I have a top, I have a bottom and the back, and it's a nice shelf. I will figure out if it will be some drawers you just pull out, or if I will just make some doors. It's only the left side missing. This we will do now. And the front here, on the left side is the fridge, and underneath I have to make a box for the gas. So I have to wait with this one, but I can put it in anytime. Yeah, now I mounted the fridge, it's in place, and the cooking place and the washing place. Everything is painted and I got the treatment on the wood. I'm not quite sure if I like the setup here, if it looks so nice. I need to reconsider some different colors maybe, or make a different front at least. Now I'm just trying to find a new place. Water pump, or it's not a pump, it's just for getting water. And I measured here, and underneath it's exactly enough space. So I will drill a hole here and seal it after. After I will also seal all the way around. And I have to add some nice front here, which I will do with some plywood after, and I will just glue it in place. So I will get the cover here and completely inside here to cover everything up.